part ng checklist natin for TPS900 is the charging cable. Ang standard charging cable ng TPS900 natin is the pin type. So, charging time ng device, aabot po siya ng 2 hours to full charge. So, kung nawala po yung pin type na binigay namin sa inyo, another way to charge the device using Android cables. The battery indicator, kailangan natin i-monitor. So, dapat po hindi po siya bababa ng 20% kapag hindi po ginagamit yung device natin, anong operations po, ugaliin po natin i-charge yung device natin. At the end of the day, sa gabi rin po, kailangan natin ma-full charge yung device bago po i-power off. Para pagdating ng umaga, hawak po ng device na is full charge. Kailangan po, meron tayong access cards. Okay? Ano po yung mga access cards natin? Ang access cards po natin is tatlo po yan. Okay? One is vehicle card. Second is driver card. And the third is the dispatcher card. For access card, the vehicle card, kailangan po natin ma-tap sa device para ma-assign po yung vehicle ID. Next for the access cards is the dispatcher card. Ang hawak po to ni driver or ni conductor is to do the change route. Okay, let's say from northbound and southbound. So dapat, doon pa lang sa A, bago magpasakay ng pasahero, kailangan nakaset ang device natin as northbound. Pagdating po sa B, bago pumunta sa A, kailangan maset ang device na southbound. Okay. Next, for access card na driver card. Ang driver card is to access the device login. Para ma-access yung device, kailangan natin ng driver card to log in. The other one is the override station. Override station is when the GPS ng device natin, let's say GPS po, ito yung location marker ng device natin. Para ma-set natin ito manual, automatic yun. Sineset lang po kasi natin ng manual to kapag nawawalan po ng GPS along the route. Gamit po ng driver card para ma-access natin yung override station.